I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but have the light of life. A life of joy and peace, serenity, serenity. A life of joy and peace. I am the root and the offspring of David, and the bright morning star. A life of joy and peace. Jesus is true light within. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Lord, give to me serenity, a life of joy and peace, serenity. I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry, and whoever believes in me will never be thirsty. Serenity, serenity, a life of joy and peace. I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. I am the vine, you are the branches. Whoever abides in me and I in him, he will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. Jesus is true light within, bright shining as the sun. I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die, and whoever lives and believes in me will never die. Serenity, serenity. I am the gate. Whoever enters through me will be saved. They will come in and go out and find pasture. Serenity, serenity, a life of joy and peace. And he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace.